Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to block access to WhatsApp app. When you log into the app, your phone will ask for your password or unlock with Face ID. For this, you need to go into the app. After that, tap on the item, Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Go down to the bottom and click on the item, Screen Lock. And here there is an item, Require Face ID. If you enable this item, you will be checked before entering the application, and the phone will be able to understand whether you are entering the application or someone else. A great feature, in my opinion. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.